Ingredients: 1 large sea cucumber, cleaned and sliced. 1 red bell pepper, sliced. 1 green bell pepper, sliced. 1 onion, sliced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Set aside. Heat the vegetable oil in a wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the garlic and stir-fry for 1 minute. Add the sea cucumber and stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes, until slightly crispy on the outside. Add the bell peppers and onion and stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, until the vegetables are tender. Pour the sauce mixture over the sea cucumber and vegetables and stir-fry for another 1 to 2 minutes, until the sauce has thickened and the sea cucumber is fully cooked. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir-fried sea cucumber can be served as a main dish or as part of a larger meal, alongside other seafood dishes or rice. It is a healthy and flavorful option for those looking to incorporate more seafood into their diet, and it is particularly popular during the Chinese New Year celebration. Sea cucumber soup is a popular dish in Chinese cuisine, particularly in coastal regions where seafood is abundant. It is a nutritious and flavorful soup that is believed to have health benefits, such as improving circulation and strengthening the immune system. To prepare sea cucumber soup, the sea cucumber needs to be cleaned and soaked in water for several hours to remove any sand or dirt. Once cleaned, the sea cucumber is sliced into thin pieces and simmered in a broth with vegetables and seasonings. Here is a recipe for sea cucumber soup. Ingredients: 1 large sea cucumber, cleaned and sliced. 4 cups chicken or pork broth. 1 cup sliced mushrooms. 1 cup sliced bok choy. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: